Hi, my name is CJ. I'm with Ezlogz. Today I want to do a quick tutorial and show you guys how easy it is to work with the Ezlogz electronic logbook. Let's go ahead and get started. The first page you will see when you open up Ezlogz will be your main dashboard page. Before we go over this page, let's go ahead and add some general information. We'll start by adding your truck. Go ahead and click on the plus icon in the lower right corner of your phone. This will open your managed trucks, managed trailers icons. Let's go ahead and add that truck. So here you have current trucks on top, current truck, and you have select different truck in the bottom. You can scroll, and by clicking on it will add that truck that you want if you already have it added in the list. If you don't, if you have a new truck you want to add, let's go ahead and add it. Go ahead and press the plus icon top right side of your screen. This pop-up here, you can just go ahead and say truck 1, 5, or 4, 5, 5, 5, add. Boom. Automatically it's added to your current truck. If you don't want to add it to your current truck, just go ahead and swap it off and add another truck. This section of general you'll use only pretty much once, because everything else you can do from the other general that I'll show you guys. Here is mainly when you want to add that truck the first time. Let's go ahead and go back. So to get to the other general page, we will need to click on this main logbook, which is right in the middle of your screen right here. That's the current today's log. Go ahead and click on it. Go ahead and click on the plus icon in the right side of your phone, bottom corner. And here you have the general. Go ahead and click on the general. In the general, you see you can change your name. Then you can do your distance by state. Let's go press the plus button. Each state, how many miles. In about a month or so, we're going to have a way where we will do your calculations automatically, and then you guys can correct it if you feel like there's an error. And automatically it will do the total after you enter each state, how many miles you guys did. Shipping documents as well. If you added shipping documents, all you got to do is click on the plus, and then you can find those documents here attached already. If you didn't, we will go through that and I'll show you how to add them. That way you can select it from here. So here we have 2 trucks selected. We need 1 truck. So let's do the plus and click. Let's say we want this truck out. Get out. There we go. Gone. Let's say we want to switch trailers. This is what I was talking about, that you will only use the other manage from the dashboard pretty much once, or unless you're adding a truck, new truck. Here, when it's added, you can just click on it and you can select from this page right here instead of going to the other side and adding it. Here you have your carrier information. You can click on it, put your carrier information, home terminal, co-driver, and so on. Pretty simple. Also, if you want to fix your yesterday's or previous day logbook, you just scroll to the left and that will take you to that logbook. However, the information that you will enter in today's logbook will follow you to the next day unless you change something. Okay, so let's go back. Since we got general out of the way, you can go click on the menu, click on inspection mode, and in inspection mode you can see the information for the truck that we have and the trailer that we have. This is the mode that you will give the officer to go through your 8 days of your logbook. Let's go back, click on logbook again, general, and let's verify we got the same information. Yeah, here. Click too many vehicles. There we go. Okay, and let's verify one more time. Make sure we got everything up to date. Yep, there we go. Trailer 7. 0 miles. Make sure in the end of the day you guys do your miles. And then per state. Why we do it per state is because we will help you calculate your IFTA miles. If you put your gallons and if you put your state that you are in, getting those gallons, filling up. So, okay. So this is your main dashboard page. If you want to see previous logs, you can just go from here, click on that log, scroll down a little bit more, click on the next one, and so on and so on. If you want to go into that logbook that you're looking at, you just tap on that, and you're right there. Same when you're right here, also you can just scroll left or right. Let's go back. So let's say you were sitting in your truck, you're just going on duty. So you want to go, you're right now off duty. See that left side of your phone in the corner, off duty. Go ahead and click on that. There you go. Let's go ahead and change the status. It's pretty simple. Location, you can put in your location or click on this icon right here. That will bring up your location automatically. Let's say we're going to do PTI. PTI. And on duty. See how it lit up a little bit? On duty. Then save. There you go. You're on duty right now. You're doing your PTI. Let's say you want to fix it. You were walking around. You forgot to go on duty. So you want to correct this status and move it so that you have everything correct. Click on that status. Click on that status one more time. Click yes. And just go boom. Let's say we started before. Save. And here you go. As you can see, you're already on duty for 15 minutes. A little bit longer than that. Our icon here, the button changed to blue, on duty. So now it's time to go. We want to drive. So let's go ahead and click on it again. Click on drive, location, save. Now you're in drive. That's as easy as that. If you want to click on it again, flip it over, put it sideways. Very easy to see, very easy to work with. To do your signature, let's go ahead and go back. To do your signature, click on, if the icon is going to be red, that means it's missing a signature or something. Same like with your DVR. If it's not blue, red, that means you didn't do your DVR. So let's say we want to do our signature. Go ahead and click on that. If you have a saved signature, you can just use your previous signature and save. It'll save it. You just do your signature, blah, blah, blah. Save. There you go. Save, good to go. This little puppy right here, that's your recap. Recap, your hours to your rest break, and so on. So, let's say you want to add a status. How do you add a status? By adding a status, let's say before I went off duty, right here, I forgot to add on duty 15 minutes. So let's click on add. Drag this here. Put it here. On duty. Let's say we're Portland. Oregon. And then we were on duty. We were on duty. There you go. That's it. All done. Piece of cake, easy. Calculations done automatically. No problem, no nothing. If you want to edit something, let's say right here, double click on this one, edit, or you can click on the status, say you want to edit, and let's say you want to move this like here, right here, and say I was in sleeper. Here you go. And it's saved. That's it. Once again, you can scroll left and right and check your previous logbook statuses and whatnot. Pretty easy. See this X here on the right next to the status right here? If you click on that X, you can actually delete that status off your logbook. So be careful. That's you know, you don't want to do that unless you're sure you had a mistake and you want to get rid of that status. Also here you can add your signature, which we already have, so we don't want to do that. Let's go to inspection mode and check what we did. Inspection. Here you go. This is inspection. Here's your signature, and that's what the officer will see. If you want to email, or send via any other app your logs, you can do so by pressing here. You can send by email, which will go directly. You just push email and then put the email and send it to the officer or whoever needs it. Or you can go with more options. By clicking the more option feature, you can send it through Skype, Viber, any other program that you have downloaded that you want to use, and send it with that program. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we have different kind of selections: Dropbox, Cloud, whichever way you want it, your Gmail account, or if you want to send it through that way, you can also do that. This little question mark is when the officer starts questioning you. You can click on that question mark, give it to him, and let him read that this is a certified electronic logbook. If he wants a printout, you can email him a printout, and send it to him right away to his email, which we have no problem in print it out. Okay, let's move on. We do have June 1st, the ELD version is coming out. So we will have that June 1st. Okay, so let's go back to this right here. Also right here, check all. When you click on check all, you can also send him the logs right here from here. So that's also an option. Okay, let's show you guys how to do your DVR. Click on the DVR. So create DVR. Just click on the screen. Truck trailers right here. If you need to add a trailer, you can click add it. Whichever trailer you have. It works same like we have there. You can select it. If there is a mistake, like you can put the speedometer here, you can do your time here. If there is any issue you have with the truck, what you need to do is click on the where are we? Hold on. Click here to add defects. So go ahead and click on that. Out of this list, all you gotta do is just go, engine, exhaust, fifth wheel, trailer. This is wrong. Kingpin, door, smashed in, basically. Okay. Click save. Notes. Truck sucks. Sorry for my sarcasm. Okay, so here you can see that there's a red alert that something's wrong. You can go ahead and push next, sign it. If you click here that defects were corrected, the mechanic will need to sign it as well. Or you can go back again, click on that same logbook, next, no defects, use your signature that you have, save, and then you'll see vehicle satisfactory. It's pretty easy. I mean, you can edit it if you want on edit. If you did something wrong, you can delete it, redo it. Pretty simple. Let's go back. And you see right now it's not red, it's in blue color. That means you're fine, everything's up to date, you're good to go. Let's go ahead and show you how to add a document, an attachment, and the bill of lading with the bill of lading number. So first thing you want to do is click again on your logbook, the current one. Then you want to open up General. And in General, you will see the shipping documents right here. If you have a shipping document, you can click on it. If you have a shipping document, you can choose from here. If you don't have a shipping document, first thing you need to do is go back. Once you go back, go ahead and click on Document Center, and you can choose from here, add a document that will be your shipping document. If not, the way it works is you have to add a document before you can assign it. So go ahead and press the plus icon, upload document, take a photo, and let's say we're going to take a picture right here. This is going to be our shipping document. There you go. Okay. Black and white. Crop it out. There you go. Plus. Next. Make sure you assign it to the bill of lading. BOL. Reference number will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Save. Okay, so now it's saved. Here you see the first one, that's your bill of lading. Click on that one, right? And you can press plus, or you can do it this way. Go back, since you have it saved right here. Once you have it saved right here and you attached it in the bill of lading, it will automatically come up in your General. So let's go back and select it from General. Click again. General. Plus. Okay, so here is the one we created. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Click on that one. This one's, we don't want this one right here. Hold on. This one right here, we'll go ahead and delete it. Okay, got it. So now, let's go back to the inspection mode. And when you get, officer pulls you over, right here you see that shipping document, it's in blue. So you can give your phone, and then they can click on the inspection mode, click on that bill of lading, and here you go. There you got your bill. Okay, go back. We have that. Now I'll show you how to attach your fuel receipts. Okay, let's go back. Logbook. Let's say I'm going to change my status right now. I am going to go on duty. On duty, pull my location, fuel, and click on attach document. That will be your fuel receipt. You can choose a fuel receipt from a receipt that you already have on file, or what you can do, same steps that we added the bill of lading, you can do that and attach it to the fuel receipts. Put the reference number, gallons, how many gallons you got, and what state you fueled in. I will just go ahead and choose one. So let's say I choose this one, and then I'll press save. Came back to this screen right here. You can see that there's attachment here. You can click on the red, delete that attachment from that status, or let's go ahead and click the save button on top. Make sure you click the save button so you can save that status and that attachment. There you go. Okay, so to check if it's saved, let's go ahead and click on it again. And here in the bottom, you see that attachment icon. That means it's saved. Let's go double check once more. Click here in the menu, inspection mode. And here, scrolling down, you see that I went on duty, fuel, and there's a view. Click on that view, you see a fuel receipt. Click on that fuel receipt, and you can see there's you go. There's that fuel receipt that we attached. So now we basically covered pretty much all the basics of the Ezlogz electronic logbook. This is our first video. We will be doing more videos of different features that we have, like point of interest. We have our own calculation where we calculate each wait station if they're open or closed, and update it automatically. We have easy chat, where you can chat with your friends, share picture, videos, location. Also walkie-talkie, where you can talk via walkie-talkie. A bunch of other features that we have that we will go and post videos step by step to let you guys know how it all works and how to easily use it. Uh, Go ahead and leave me comments below. Subscribe to our channel. Leave comments below. Let us know what you guys want, what you want to see. Uh, we are here to hear you out and help you guys out. I've been a driver myself uh, for quite some time, owner operator, so I know in the ins and outs of all the driver's needs. But we're all humans, so I may be missing something, and I'd definitely like to hear you guys' feedbacks and reviews, and let me know what we can fix, what we can add to make it more easier for you guys to accommodate your needs. Once again, this video is not perfect. Like as I stated before, this is my first video, but tried the best I can. Thank you guys, and be safe. See you soon.